This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So the thing is, I will install like all the software on EVNG. So the thing is, in Eve to work on EVNG, we need VMware workstation. That's the primary requirement. We also need to install one EVNG client. We need that client because when we open any devices, so these devices automatically open on PuTTY and also on VNC servers. Okay, because on PuTTY we can open CLI, but in VNC basically it will open as a, we can say, let's say we are going to open window PC, right? For window it will open on VNC server, not on PuTTY. Okay, so we need evng client as well. We will import evng OVA file. These are the main three things. Now we also need one more software, which is WinSCP. WinSCP is a software which connects on the devices over port number 22 SSH over SSH. Okay, and we use this particular software a lot in production network as well. We will use that software for installing the images, or if you want to download anything from the firewalls, we will use WinSCP. Okay, same thing we will do. We will import the images by using WinSCP. So if you know, there is also one more software, FileZilla. We can also use that one, but I prefer using this WinSCP. Okay, so now first we will see the installation of VMware Workstation. So let me just check where I'm having all these images. This is my EVNG image. Okay, so now let me go to into VMware Workstation 14. What I need to do, I will just right click. To install the VMware Workstation is pretty straightforward. You need to follow the next. That's it. Because I'm already having that software on my system. Okay, and anyone also, guys, you guys also doing the same thing. Try to do the same thing in your PC. If you stuck anywhere, just let me know. I will try to resolve that issue. Can you guys? I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So are you guys also start doing the same thing? Okay.
So do we need to download EVNG from online? I mean,
So
from its website?
no one have downloaded these softwares yet.
No, I could not understand how to download that.
You can just download directly na, from there.
Uh,
I've shared that link right already yesterday only. Anyone else have downloaded these yesterday only? I have shared
Yes.
that links yesterday.
Yeah, I downloaded.
Okay, then Malik, please try to follow the same thing, and we will need to we will set up the lab. Okay, if we face any challenge, I'll take the access of your machine and I will try to resolve that issue. Okay. If
Okay.
anyone have also downloaded these one, then please just follow the steps whatever I'm doing. Okay.
Yeah, give me like a few minutes because I'm just downloading the E for re-downloading it because it errored out on my end.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
So it's giving me 2 minutes left.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
But
Okay. So first,
VMware is downloaded, so I can start on
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. Start on that one then. So we will just double
You have
click
to
and
go
next.
to the website and download Hemendra.
Yeah, yeah. You have to go to that website on that link I have
Okay.
shared on WhatsApp, right? Yesterday. Go to on that link and just download
It's on
all
a
of them.
Dropbox.
Yeah, it's a Dropbox link.
If you don't
Okay.
have a Dropbox, you're gonna have to create an ID.
Okay.
So the thing is now, because I am having that software already installed in my system, so that's why it is giving me change. You want to change or repair or remove. Okay. But in your case, you need to just click on next. That's it. After that, you will also get few next, and your VMware workstation got installed. So what I'll do, let me just repair it. Okay. In your case, you have to just go to with next.
Yeah, mine's asking for the license key.
Yeah, license key you have here. Okay.
Let me see if I can.
If I'll have shared you on that folder VMware 12, which is also having license key.
Okay, let me check.
That's the serial txt, right? You can just that one. So what what we will do today, I will try to like I will create the lab on ASA firewall. Okay. Now I will also guide you how we can create the lab for Palo Alto firewall. Okay. Today only I will install EVNG. After that I will also install Palo Alto, and on EVNG when we will complete the installation of, we can say, VMware workstation. So so by default when you install VMware, it's have a
Uh,
one network card, one NIC. That NIC got created in your system. If you want to check where it is created, you can just open your CMD and type here ncpa.cpl, that command. It will open your network sharing center,
what was the
and you
command
will
again?
see here ncpa.cpl. nc ncpa.cpl. I have completed downloading.
Yeah, mine's done too.
Okay, so when you hit that command, this particular prompt will open. Okay, and in your case you will see here two adapters. These are the VMware adapters, or maybe in your case maybe one. Sometime it creates two. How many adapter do you have?
I just have one.
Okay, yeah, that's not a issue. Sometime you will get one, sometime you will get two. Okay.
No, because I'm running on Wi-Fi and not on the internet cable.
I am just asking the adapter which is having VMware virtual Ethernet adapters. I'm looking for that too only. Are you able to see these ones, VMware virtual Ethernet adapter in your system?
Yeah, just one.
Okay, just one, right. Now the thing is, because we need to simulate multiple devices, like in Palo Alto Lab, I will create multiple interfaces, right? So now I need to create a few more adapters. So what I will do, right now we are having two here, I will create three more. Now, how we can create these things? So let me show you that part. Okay, don't worry about these things. These are my old BMs, so it is just picking all of them. Okay, in your case, it is just neat and clean. Okay, so what you need to do when you need to work on each adapters, you have to click on that BM. Okay, sorry, not on BM, in edit. You have to go to into virtual network editors. Here you will see. So on your PC, what is the adapter? VNet 1 or VNet 8? What is the name of your adapter?
I have VMnet 0, VMnet 1, and VMnet 8.
Okay,
So
you
one
have
is
three.
braced, one is host, and one is NAT.
Yeah, now VNet, I also have three. VNet 0, 1, and 8, right? You are
Yep,
also
that's
having
exactly.
same. Okay.
Yep.
What what you need to do? You have to click on VNet 0.
Okay. Double
Okay,
click.
and yeah, not double click, just select that
Acha,
one. Okay.
just highlight it. Okay.
Yeah. After that, go to into bridged.
Yeah.
Bridge to automatic. You have to select your Wi-Fi adapter.
Uh,
Intel Duvara wireless, because you are getting internet from this adapter, right? How you can
uh,
see?
so mine
Maybe
will be
sometimes
Dell
you have
wireless.
yeah. So you will see that Intel R dual band wireless, right?
Yep.
Yeah, same thing you need to select. When we select that one, that means we are connecting our VMware VNet 0 interface with the Wi-Fi adapter with the
Okay.
internet. Okay.
All right. So apply and okay.
Yeah. If you guys not having any idea, anyone have any what is bridge?
The main contact of connecting.
No, bridge is like a switch only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And here let me write bridge. It's a switch. It's a very old switch. And what we need to do, bridge have I think two interfaces. Okay. Always. Whatever he will receive here, he will send out from here. It's a networking device only. In old days, we have bridge, not switches. Okay. So same thing, whatever we will send through this adapter, it will directly go to Wi-Fi adapter. Okay. Now in VNet 0, VNet 1, VNet 8, you have now what you can add few more. Okay. VNet 2 just add, click on add and it will add automatically. Click one more, VNet 3, VNet 4, VNet 5. Okay. So we have added around 5 adapter. 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So total we have 7 adapters right now. What you need to do now, you can just select VNet 1, select host only, always click these two. Okay. If you not have tick mark, just tick mark them, and you need to change the IP address. Here we will give this one 10.1.1.0 and 255.255.255.0. In BMnet2, we will just click on select the host only, click these two, and here we will give 10.2.2.0/23/24, okay, 255.255.0. In 3, same thing, host only, select these options. So if you select these options, whatever BMs you will connect on this adapter, they will get the IP address from DHCP automatically, okay. And in 3, you have to give the IP address in 10.3.3.0/24. In fourth one, the same thing. Now we need to repeat the same thing in fourth and fifth. Try to make sure these options are selected for the adapter which you have selected as host only, okay. 10.5.5.0/24, okay. Now you have to select BMnet 8. You have to select as a net, okay. Select these options, and here you need to set the IP which is 192.168.137.0. You have to give this IP address, okay. So guys, this is clear. Any doubts here? And Malik, you are also doing the same thing, right?
That's right.
Okay. So any questions? Right now we have added few interfaces, or we can say few NIC card, NIC on our VMware. If you become very good with VMware, you will easily understand the cloud technology, Azure or AWS, because in Azure AWS, when you create the like BPC or subnets, that's the same thing. It's the same thing, okay. Now click on apply. So it is now installing the adapters into your main system. Guys, please make sure you will practice that thing before the tomorrow class, okay. Click on OK.
All right. So on the 8, I'm putting in IP of 192.168.137.0.
Yeah, that's correct. Now if you see in this place, you will get these many adapters, right? Ethernet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Maybe these names are different on your case. How you will know? If you click on that one, if you see the IP address, it's having 10.1.1.1. That means this is a adapter. This is a BNet 1 adapter, right? If you want, you can rename it
Yep, I got it.
BMnet 01. That's the BMnet 01 adapter, okay. In third, just click, try to see the details. This is 192.168.137.1. This is a VNet 8, right? We have configured that kind of subnet right there. So just name it as a BMnet 8. Just go to into fourth. It's a 10.2.2, which is a BMnet 2. So we will give the name to be as BMnet 2. If you guys you understand these things, you will able to do the labs for all kind of devices. because you can create your labs by installing the OVA files of every firewalls like checkpoint, firepower, all of them. This is BMnet 3. I'll give the name as BMnet 3. I'll go to into this one, and I will. This is for BMnet 4, right? 10.4.4.1. We are getting this IP address because we have selected a DHCP option, right? That's why. VMnet 04.
Some reason I'm getting a duplicate created.
What kind of errors you are getting?
Not an error, but a duplicate VM links. So I have Internet 3, which is in 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You want to log into my machine to see what I see?
Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let me just
Sure.
also rename that one. Okay.
Yeah.
This is 5, so I will give the name here VNet 5. Okay. So I have given that name. So now what I'll do, let me just go to into one of my folder, documents, virtual machines. I just want to delete the existing EVNG image. Okay. So I will just delete that one. Maybe in your case you will not have that one, but I'll have, so I have just deleted. Okay. Because now I just want to install the new EVNG image, right? So what you can do, you can just go to into your EVNG folder in image. So here I'm having Eve community image. You have to select that option. Okay, that one. Open virtualization format package. Open with VMware workstation. Okay. Give whatever name you want to give. If you want to select the spaceful path, select it. Otherwise, go with the default. Click on import. Now it will import the image in a backend. You don't need to do anything. Okay. You have to just wait. Now you can share your screen. So what I can do, let me stop my sharing. Yeah, you can just share your screen.
I had a doubt. Why have you suggested VMware Workstation 14 Pro? Can't we use any other virtual machine like VirtualBox?
I find VMware is very good. That's why. And other hypervisor I have not used.
Okay,
And also like VMware is also free. We will have a serial number and everything for that.
okay. I actually had a VirtualBox installed, but I'm currently
Virtual
done.
VirtualBox actually I don't like. So because both are from VMware only, just try to use VMware workstation.
Okay,
I used to work on VirtualBox so many days before, but not now.
okay.
So Malik, you are sharing your screen?
Yeah, I was in a different PC, so I'm just logged in.
Okay, okay.
Let me see. Yeah, I don't have the option to share. You might have to enable me.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me share my screen for a minute only. Okay.
Okay. I'll have to flip it
So
back.
guys, if you see, I have imported that image. It took around 3 to 4 minutes, and you will get that kind of prompt. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to go to into edit virtual machine settings. Okay. Select here memory 8 GB. It's a RAM. If you are having very good RAM, give that much. So I'm giving here 16 GB. Processor 4. Hard disk is 50. We will see how we can upgrade the hard disk as well. Okay. And adapters, you can select here. First adapter, always make it as a net, and you need to add few more adapters. And just select that adapter as a VNet one. Add one more, and just make it as host or that custom, and just go with BMnet one. Okay. So we have added three adapters here. Okay. Net, bridge, and that one. And after click on OK, and you can just start your machine. Now it will install it's that EVNG is based on Ubuntu Linux, so it will now start the things on a back end. Okay. Now I'm just stopping my sharing, and let me just make you. So Malik, you have joined from two devices. Let me
Hold on, I'll
see.
tell you which
Make
one.
presenter.
1 second, 1 second. I'll tell you which one.
Okay, so you have sent the authorization request, right?
All right, so the one says Malik only. You can set it on that one.
Okay, Malik only. Okay.
Yep.
Make presenter. Yeah. Now you have a presenter permission.
Okay. So see how I have this is and this one, and this one.
Ethernet 3, Ethernet 3.
So
Okay,
let me show you.
okay. I can see. You can just change that names then.
Okay. I mean, it's something
What you
that I
can.
did.
No. It depends on the hardware and the operating system. Okay.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, that's not a issue anymore. Just change the name. Just click on that one, that one. Just see the IP address. You can just check the IP address and just name it. And if you will leave that as it is, that is also fine. But just
Okay.
see the IP address. Just click. No. Just click it. Go inside. Yeah, in the status. Yeah, in details.
Mm-hmm.
This is having 10.4.4, which is a VNet 4. Just give that name to that
Okay.
one. You need to close and give it. Yeah. Same thing you can just follow with others as well.
Okay. I see now what you're saying. All right. I'll change it.
Okay. Now where you have your EVNG image?
Just downloaded. Let me check. It's just downloading it. Hold on.
Check on your download folder.
Yeah. Right here.
Just open it. Okay.
Yep.
Go with default.
Okay. The same one, the same edition.
Yeah. Go default.
Cool.
Go.
Yeah, it might take time.
It takes 2 minutes at least. Just wait. Okay. So
Yeah.
meanwhile, let me share my screen, and
Okay.
I will do the few steps. Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys. So I have started now. When you start, it will take another 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and it will give you that prompt. Okay. So it is giving me that warning. Neither you have Intel VTX or AMV found. What happens because I have just installed that VMware Workstation 14. That's why I'm getting that error. I need to restart my PC. I'm not doing that. I will do it later. Okay. So what I will do, I will just click over there. So when you click over there, you will not able to see your keyboard, okay, or you will not able to see your mouse. So what you need to press the Control Alt at the same time, and it will appear. Okay, so if you want to come out from that black window, you have to click on Control Alt, okay, both at the same time. So you can just type the password and username is eve, or you can use the username is root and password is eve. So it will ask for the type the root password. Okay, so you can type the root password, which is eve. Repeat the root password eve. If you want to change the name, you can change the name as well. So I'll go with that same name. Okay, evng, like we can say like evng training, or we can say evng01. Okay, just a name. Now you have to press that tab. You have to click on OK. If you have any domain name, you can give. I'll have domain name, so I'm giving that name. And in your case, you can go with example.com. It will work. Okay. Press the tab, so it will take you this at OK. Click on OK. Now this is the most important point. Use DSCP or static IP address. Always try to use the that static IP address. Okay. So right now DSCP is by default selected. What you need to change it. So come down, just hit the like that below a down arrow key, and you have to click on tab, not tab, you have to click on space button for selecting that option. Okay, click on that space button, click on tab and enter. Okay, so now it will ask for type the IP address, which IP you want to configure. So I am typing here 192.168.137.50. Click on OK. Now I will type the subnet one, which is 255.255.255.0. Okay, type the default gateway. So what I will type here 192.168.137.1. This is my default gateway. I will click OK. DNS name. DNS is type here 888. It's a public DNS name of Google. Secondary DNS 4.2.2.2. Okay. NTP. Just type your machine IP address, which is 192.168.137.1. This IP address is on BMNet 8. Just type that one. Okay. Leave it that option like direct connection. Select it. Click on OK, and it will basically EVNG will restart and it will do this things for you. So Malik, what is the status at your end in your machine?
It's downloaded, yeah.
Okay, so and it is imported or not?
Let me see. I'm at that position where it tells you the memory, process, hard disk, network, adapter, USB.
Okay, okay. I'm making you presenter again. Okay,
Okay.
just share your screen and I will also do on your system. That's why, guys, I have told you yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Now you can click on edit virtual machine setting. The second option, not here, in your that one only. Yeah. So how much RAM you have on your system?
Total is what, 6 GB?
Yeah, 6 is also enough for doing the ASA lab. Okay, now you can just click on network adapters. 6 is enough, yeah. 6 is more than enough. Click on network adapters, and now you can just click on add one more adapter. No, add at the down. Yeah, add. Click on, yeah, select network adapters. Next. Yeah, finish. Click one more, just add one more network adapter. Next, finish. Now just go to into your first adapter, first network adapter, which is bridge. Just select this one as a net.
Select as a net. Right here.
Yeah, yeah. Now go to into the second one. That one, yeah, that one only. Yeah, that one only. Yeah. Select this as a bridge. Now go to into the last one and select this as a custom, and select the VMnet one from drop down.
VMnet. Okay.
One. Yeah, yeah. Click on OK. Now just power on that machine. Just can you just zoom little bit? Or just go into
Yeah.
full screen for that one, that just EVNG, that one, VMware. Just click on that option. Yeah, that's great.
Okay, Hemendra, I've been trying on Mac as well. So it it got uploaded, but I don't know how to create the adapters.
Okay, we will connect. Let me just work on his machine. After that, I will
Okay,
take your access. Okay.
okay,
On Mac, I have not tried actually. Meanwhile, if you can just Google it little bit.
okay.
Okay. So now you have, so now you can just log in here. Type root is the
Yeah,
user,
but my keyboard's okay. Now it's working.
and password is EVE. Type the password whichever you want. I'll suggest go with the default one only, EVE. If you want, you
Okay.
can type any password. Yeah.
Do I have to click on it or?
No, you can just type. It is already selected. Just type EVE.
Okay, but I don't see anything typing in there. Is that normal?
Just press the tab button, and just go back. Press tab again. Yeah, now press the tab again.
Okay.
Yeah, now type EVE.
Yeah, it's not letting me.
You will not able to see. Just now press the tab.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, and hit enter.
Okay. Click enter. Now again type EVE. Repeat the same password. Now you will get host name. Give the host name whatever you want. Select, no, not okay. Select the static option. Click OK. Now type the static IP address 192.168.137.50. Now hit the tab. The same subnet marks 255.255.255.0.
Is that IP address for everyone, or it depends on
Yeah,
what IP address I have?
everyone can use. It's a local IP address. Everyone can use.
Oh,
Now
okay.
type
Can you
here
please repeat it?
192.168.137.50. 50.
50 or 1?
50. Yeah, here you need to type 1. It's a default gateway. Type 1 here.
Yeah.
1.
Okay.
Yeah. DNS 8.8. You can some also refer the recordings. Okay, recording is going on. So
4 time is
hit OK.
fine, right?
Yeah. 4 time is only fine. 4.2.2.2.
What's the secondary?
4.2.2.2.
Like that?
Okay. NTP type that 192.168.137.1. NTP, it's a like network time protocol. Okay. Direct coming is fine. Click on OK. We have almost completed.
So it does take a few minutes, I guess.
Yeah, it takes some time only.
All right, going with the same thing, root and Eve.
Sorry. Yeah, root and EB. Okay, now what you need to do, just came out from that black screen, press Alt, Control Alt at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can just go to into your that machine settings,
Where is that?
or you just go to in a like in a right hand corner below. You will see these adapters are blinking, right?
Yeah, right here.
Just select any of them. Select, click, and just go to into settings. So sometime what happens? Yeah, first one is NAT. Now you have to just go to into the second adapter. That select as a bridge. That order got changed. Now go to into third and select as a VMnet one. That custom and VMnet one. Enter. Now go to into your into E window.
Which window?
EVNG, that black screen. Click. Go there.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Hit the if config. Not IP, it's IF. In place of P, we have F.
Okay, IF config.
Yeah, enter. So you have to hit if config pnet 0 space then pnet 0.
Sorry, what
If
was that?
config
Uh-huh.
space then type pnet 0.
Like that?
NET. Not A, it's NET
Oh, sorry.
0. These are the interfaces type. So you are having 192.168.137.50. Now come out and open your browser.
Mm,
Come out and open your browser.
okay.
Type the IP address here 192.168.137.50. Enter. Username is admin. Password is EV. Enter. Okay, so you will get that kind of prompt. Okay.
Got it.
So we have completed the installation of EVNG. Now what you can do, you can just go to into the folder where you have downloaded other softwares like BinSCP
Right.
and the other one.
Okay.
Heminder, have downloaded, but the file is not getting open.
Okay, it is not opening with VMware, right?
No, I just download the EVE community edition file.
Okay,
It took me like 10-15 minutes, but it's not getting open. Even though if I'm trying for a couple of times.
we'll check, we'll see. Okay, let me just complete that one. Okay,
Okay,
first. So now, Malik, you can go to into that software places where you have downloaded the other ones.
Okay. To see where is it.
Not Dropbox.
No, it was in Dropbox. I didn't download all of them. Just
Let me now just let me just stop sharing. I will share my screen. I will do the rest of things. Okay.
okay.
After I will pick the other species. Okay.
okay, Heminder.
Or maybe Malik, you can help the others. Okay.
Sure.
Because we are also running out of time now. We have completed. Okay. Now what do you need to do? So I have also did the same thing. I'll got the access of EVNG. Okay. That's the IP address. Like in Malik PC, when we type that IP address, we will able to get it into the. We can open it via browser. Now, what you need to do, if you go to into that folder software, you will have these two softwares as well. Where is that one? eVenzi client. I think I have. Let me just see. Okay. So if I'll go there on that folder in EEP tab, EEP folder, you will see that particular UNet Lab Win client. Okay, pack. Now you need to install that client. The installation of this client is also very easy. You have to follow the next. Okay, because I have already installed that in my system, so I don't need to require because I'm having all these like Ultra BNC and all. Okay, so anyone just download that one, and also Malik, you can just download and just try to install it. Okay, same
Okay,
thing
I'm
with
on.
the WinSCP as well. These are the like basic installation, and you guys pretty much aware about that one. You have to follow the next. That's it. Okay. I'm not in show you the installation of these two. You can just install by yourself. You need to install. Without this, you will not able to do anything. Okay. Just install this client and this client as well. After the installation of this client, just open BinSCP. So WinSCP looks like this type of. So what you can do, you have to select here SFTP host name, or we can say type here you the IP address of your event 192.168.168.137.50. Username is root, password is EVE, and click on login. So you will get this kind of prompt. Okay, this is your PC, your folders. This is the evng folder. So what you can do, just select the folder where you have downloaded all the images. So let me see. I have all of my images in the software folder, all these images, right? In root folder, this is the evng folder. What you need to you can just go to into main root directory. From main root directory, just follow from here. Okay, it's a very important steps. Now I am just uploading the images inside the evng. Okay, now so you have to go to into opt, then you have to click on unit lab, then you have to go to into add-ons, then qmo, and this folder is empty. So what you can just select whatever images. Let's suppose you want to install these two images, right? Select these two images, just paste it here, drag and drop. By doing this, we will complete the installation of virtual router and switches on evng. Now let me see for asa. So this is not a correct image for asa. Just come back. This is the Nexus image if you want. Nexus 9K. This is for Nexus 7K. This is a like switch for, we can say, Arista switch. Let me also install that one. Let's come back. This is not required. So AS image. This is not a correct image. I'll use AS in 9.6 on EVNG. So let me see if I'm having here. No. Okay. So I have installed these two images like ASA. If I'll got the AS image, I just need to select and drop it. So, but in your case, you have the AS image as well. Okay. This one you need to use. So let me also download that one in my system. Somehow I have lost. And also download that one, that window 7. If you want, I will also share you the link for other images if you want, because Eve supports all kind of devices. Okay. So now let me also
How
open
long
my,
is that license valid for?
it's a open source, so you don't need to worry about the license.
Okay.
It's open source like Linux machines.
Got it.
Admin and password is EVE. Just log in. So now if you want to start it with the new lab, you have to select that option, add a new lab. Okay, give the name like first lab, leave it everything default, click on save. It will open like this. So if you see, I have added the routers, right? So I will click on node. I'm getting this option for Arista switch, and let me just select the VIOS. Where is Cisco? See, Cisco VIOS router. So I will select one router. Okay. Let me also add one switch. Okay. You can also type here if you want Cisco. You will have so many Cisco devices. This is not deducted that Cisco VIOS switch. I'm not sure why. Okay. ASA, I have downloaded the ASA one. So let me also import that ASA. Okay. I'll put that image into that same folder. VIS L2. I also have few images inside this folder. Okay, so whatever you need, whatever you want, you can use. Okay, there is no restrictions on that ones. So now let me import ASA as well. ASA 9.6 something. Okay, what I will do, I will go to into that same. I'll just click here refresh, and it will give me that image. So what I will select that image in the same folder where I have uploaded these ones. I need to select the ASA. Previously we have installed these two, right? This is the router image for version 15. This is the router image for version 15.6. And I'll have the switch images here. This is the L2 switch image the for the viral. So I will let me just drag and drop. You can just put the same name. You don't need to worry about that. Okay. And if this time I will go to into my browser here, if this time I will select, I will get all these nodes as well. I will type here ASA, I will get this ASAV, which is our main concern, right? We need ASAV. Let me also add one more switch. If I am getting Cisco, I have get that Cisco VIO switch. I will select that one. We'll select that one. Let me just now connect these devices. Okay. To connect what you can need to select that option, that plug kind of option, right? Go this, select the first interface is what interface you want. So let me, I will click connect with gig 0/0 on the switch side and gig 0/0 on the firewall side. Here I will connect my ASA, gig 0/0 or the ASA side and gig 0/0 on my router side. Now, if you want to start all these devices in one go, if you want to start in one go, what you need to do, you have to click on more actions and start all nodes. That is the one way, or you can just go and just right click and start. This is the another way. In my case, I have started, but they got stopped, right? Why? Anyone have any clue on that? Because I need to restart my system. If you see, I'm getting this error, neither Intel BTX or AMD we found. Okay, so maybe I need to change my virtualization settings, or I need to just restart that system because these drivers is not installed properly on my system. Okay, so, so I'm not going to restart now. If I restart, then I will lose the access from everyone. Okay, so Malik, what is the state at your end?
I'm just downloading the rest of the files.
Okay, just download guys and try to follow the same thing. You will able to make your lab. Okay, that is the most important point here. Without this, you will not able to
Hemendra,
do your
can you look at
practicals.
mine?
Yeah, yeah, you can. So what is your name? Sorry, just
Nadeem.
Nadeem. Okay, let me just. I'll just
Just
make you
select
the
like Nadeem
presenter. Okay.
K. Nadeem K.
Okay, that K. Okay, let me
Yeah.
just make you the presenter.
Okay.
And can I just stop the recording, guys?
Okay. Okay, Hemendra sir.
Everyone. Or
Yeah,
let
yeah.
me just let it go on. Recording is going on. No problem. Video will be little bit long, but you guys able to connect. That is my objective only. Yeah.
This one.
Okay, just open it.
I'm opening it up, but it's getting close.
Okay, you have not downloaded it yet, right?
I have
You
downloaded
have.
it.
Go to into download folder.
This one?
In download folder, yeah. You have downloaded so many times.
Yeah.
Okay, just go to into that folder. Just leave it that place.
Open.
No, just leave it from here. Just go to into download folder.
Here.
Yeah, and here you can just select first one, or no, you don't need to open like this. You can just right click over there,
Mm-hmm.
and now just go with open bid. Just more apps. Click on more apps and just select VMware. You have VMware installed on your system?
No.
Then you need VMware first. You
So
have
how do
downloaded VMware? You have downloaded VMware? Rahul Anthony notes are very good if you are preparing for ASA. Go to in software.
this one? VMware. Okay.
Uh, Yeah, VMware tool. Just download that one. You need to. So
This one?
now, no. Entire, you can just download entire folder, no, for VMware 12. That's why yesterday I told you guys, if you have downloaded the entire folder, it will be great. Yeah, so Nadeem, now what? Everyone just try to follow today recording. Maybe I will share the link of that recording after 2 hours, so after 1 hour, as soon as
Okay.
it's got completed, and just try to follow the same thing, and at least try to create that lab. Okay.
So I have to download this VMware and as well
Yeah.
as the
All the
EVNG.
EVNG you have already downloaded. You need to download that VMware, and
Okay.
you need to also download that these images, right?
Okay.
And and these two softwares, VNet client or UNet client,
This
that
one.
one. Yeah, this one and the bin SCP, that client. Yeah,
So I will download the VMware and open the EVNG file in VMware, correct?
correct.
And then I have to download unit and then
Bin SCP.
WinCP. Okay.
Yeah,
So once I download it, and then I have to follow the steps that you have showed me
yeah.
on. Okay.
Also download these images. That there is a image folder, right? Just download that folder as well.
Which image folder?
That images one here only,
Okay.
inside any,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, that folder you
Okay.
can download.
Okay. I will
Okay.
try to do it today.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you get free time, you can share the video. I will try to download.
Yeah. Just download, guys. Everyone, please keep downloaded these things and
Okay.
try to install these softwares and all. Okay. You
Okay.
can just follow the recording. You will able to make it the things. Okay. I'm just stopping recording now.